All right, I have 187 to the fourth root of 187, and then it's to the third power. But I know that this is the same thing as 187 to the 3 over 4 power. It's a rational exponent, okay? The index goes on the bottom. It always does, okay? And this number, when I raise the whole thing to 180, to the third power, I can just say this. It's the same thing. So anyway, when I raise 187 to the 3 divided by 4, or 0.75 power, when I put that in my calculator like that, 187 to the power of 3 divided by 4, I get 50.56. I guess I'll write it out. 50.56863 is what my calculator reads out to me, and I'm supposed to round to 2 decimal places. Okay, so I'll say 50.5. The 8 tells the 6 to go up to 7, and there's my result. Okay. Now, I think I'll write this like this, just to avoid negative exponents if I can. This is 86 to the 5 over 6 power, but it's underneath 1. I had to move it because of this negative sign. Okay, so I'm going to take the inverse, is what I'm going to do, after I finish my problem. So I'm going to say, I put in 86 in my calculator, then I say 5 divided by 6, and I raise 86 to that power, which is 0.8333 repeating. And when I do that, I get 40.9338, but it's underneath 1, so I have to hit the inverse button, which in my calculator says 1 over x. So I hit 1 over x, and I get 0. Something much smaller, because it's underneath 1, so 0.024443. I'm only supposed to get 2 decimal places, so I guess that means I just cut it off right there. Seems kind of disappointing. I think I'd show more. I guess if it was significant digits, I'd have to show 2, 4, but it didn't say significant digits. It just said 2 decimal places. Okay, well, there it is. It's not very big.